In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Hostinger email with your Gmail account. This is a convenient way to manage all your emails in one place, keeping your workflow seamless and consolidated. We'll walk through each part of the process so you can confidently set everything up. Firstly, let's get started by heading to your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, you're going to look for the gear icon, which is typically located in the upper right corner of your Gmail interface. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, you'll want to select See All Settings. This will bring you to the main settings menu with multiple tabs at the top. Look for the one labeled Accounts and Import and click on it. This tab is essential for email management tasks because it allows you to adjust how Gmail handles various email accounts linked to it. Next, you'll need to add your Hostinger email so you can check your mail from other accounts within Gmail. Under the Check Mail from Other Accounts section, you should see an option that says Add a Mail Account. Click on it to open a new window. Here, you will enter your Hostinger email address, which is the email that you use with your Hostinger hosting services. Once entered, click Next. Following that, it's time to enter the details of your Hostinger mail server. This part is crucial as it allows Gmail to retrieve your emails from your Hostinger account. Enter your Hostinger mail server information accurately. This includes the server address and port number, along with your full Hostinger email address and password. Ensure everything is correct. Small mistakes here can lead to connection issues. If you're uncertain about these details, you might want to check Hostinger's email setup documentation or contact their support for assistance. Once you've filled everything in, Gmail will verify the information, and you should proceed to finish this setup. Now, with your email being fetched seamlessly into Gmail, the next task is configuring the ability to send mail as your Hostinger email. This allows you to send emails from Gmail using your Hostinger email address. In the Send Mail As section, found back in the Accounts and Import tab, click on Add Another Email Address. Enter your Hostinger email address once more and proceed. Gmail will guide you through the next steps, where you'll need to enter the SMTP server details for your Hostinger account. Once completed, Gmail will send a confirmation email to your Hostinger address to verify it. Check your Gmail interface for this email, then click the link to confirm or enter the confirmation code provided. And that's it! You've successfully configured Gmail to send and receive emails using your Hostinger account. Now, you can manage your emails all in one place with ease, making your daily tasks more efficient and organized.